Hey, good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Hey, guys, you know what? Today it was amazing day. Only, these numbers, they came on Betway and they also came on UK Food9. So this is my VIP group that I always tell you guys about. See, I post 749 as well. On 749 came well. 3940. Hey, there was nice boom on 749 and also UK Food9. And then now, which one was that? You see, this lady, she managed to break this code into 4 pairs, whereby she got 8, 17, 34, 35. Okay, so guys, let's go and work now. Let's go and work. Okay, so now we are here. So this system is, if you join the group, you get the book free, 3 books free, which is fair. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this code 139. Code 139. So code 139, guys, there's always 2 options about this kind of code. It's either they'll say 1 plus 3, they'll give them a 4, then they carry that 4, they give you what? A 49. Actually, the banker for today is 1831. One way, all the draws, all 4 draws. Then now if you look closer, you will see that if you say 13 139, if you say 13 19, it's the first pair. 13 39 31 19 31 39. That is the first pair. Then if you go close again to check these guys, they are very clever, these guys. If you say 3 minus 5, 3 minus 9, actually that will give you what? A 4. So 14 is coming as a sure number, and it's either 13, let me see, 1441, 1331. These 2 bankers are 100% sure correct. Even if I check here with my analysis, I can see that these numbers are coming. They are coming. Okay, so which means I can say 14, 13, 39, because this code 139 already, if you say 1 plus 3 plus 9, that will definitely give you what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 came. So they will say, if they try to run away from 13, they can say 13 times. To remember this method, it will give us a 26. I always forget to divide my bonus by 7.5. So let me do this before I forget. So we're going to use this previous bonus 8 from last night. We will say 8 divided by 27.5. Let's see what we get. One of my friends reminded me, I always forget about that. She said, hey, coach, when you forget. So it's 8 divided by 27.5. That's 29. So 2900% coming as the bonus ball. So you guys must know a bonus is 29 or 9. Now at least I'm relieved, because I always skip this strategy. Then after, this lady will say, hey coach, check that. So now we're having a sure number as this. Because if it's 139, they're going to say 1 minus 3 to give them a 2. Then they take that 29 there. So what you can say 39 bonus 29, 31 bonus 29. Do you see that? It's now accurate. Then guys, we move on to code 126. It's a backup code. In case if these guys don't choose the tea time code, they might as well jump and use 126. Because even though I can say 126, let's spin this code. It will say 219, which is what? 29. So our 29 is still alive. Still a live number. So maybe they can say 12, 29 bonus, 26, 29. Do you see that? That can happen. It's very possible. So please guys, play for me 13, 29, 14, 29 bonus. Play those numbers for me, please guys, please. I've forgotten to do that. I'll definitely go to my group and also repost that kind of number because I'd forgotten. Okay, then I'm gonna jump over to code 134 now. Code 134, if you say 13 plus 4, it gives you a 17. That is already dropped on UK Food9. If you say 13 minus 4, that will definitely give you a 7. Yes, 7. Huh? No, not a 7. Let me see, 13 minus 4 should give you a 9. So definitely this 13.9 can come. Is it 9? Yes. So 13.9 is also a nice number there to play on UK Food9. Please guys, mark my words, you guys are gonna be fine soon, very very soon. Okay, and then we come here and say 13 4. We say 34 plus 1 is a 35. That is already dropped. 34 minus 1 is a 33. That is already dropped. This kind of number, 34, 35, 33 dropped. So what you must expect, these guys, they're clever. They will hit, because they also hit 17. This code was amazing. I'm very, very, very impressed about the code. So 13 is still a number, or you can say 31, 14. How about that? Or 41, 34. Let me say 41, 43 actually, just to confuse us, because the code is still alive. You see, they can do that. Or either way, you can go an extra mile and say 134 and say 1 plus 3 is going to give him a 44. So now you can say 44, 14, bonus 29. So 44 is a good number today. 44 has to drop by fire, by force. So yeah guys, this is what it is. I'm very, very sorry because today I didn't have time to give you a video early. So what I'm going to do after the results, because 749 is back, I'm going to do a video at 8 o'clock so that you guys, even those who are at work, by then you have time like to go on YouTube and watch. Because remember, if I send a video at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, some of you guys are at work. You can't be able to actually go and check what is happening on YouTube. You understand? So guys, this is what, there's a girl called Nono. Please stop requesting in my group, because you request then you don't talk to me. So please don't request in my group. Her name is Nono. She's busy like requesting. I don't even understand that kind of lady. I don't know what's wrong with her. You must not be a childish, like, you know, especially when we're making money like this, because this thing is not a game for kids. Here we are working. Their parents here are looking for money from these numbers. So don't take a chance and just request. You see a link, you request. I'm just gonna report you on WhatsApp. They'll block you. Trust me. Stop requesting in my group if you don't know what you want. Because this lady's been like, you know, 10 times she's requesting, I reject. She requests, I reject. So, you know, someone like who's, I don't even know what's wrong in your head. So please, I work with people who want to work, who want to make money, not people who are playing. Those people who are playing, they must go on Facebook maybe. Because here, this is YouTube. We don't take chances here. We are working. We are trying our best so that we can change our lives. Because there are some people who are serious that I know. So thank you very much, guys, for your support and everything. I hope you'll be fine. Only people who request, people want to join the group. And I know my people, I know my people who are serious. Thank you very much. See you on the next chapter around 8 p.m. That's when I'm gonna be trying to send you a new video for tomorrow's draws. So the link will be left on the first comment. Thank you.